as a French company, it's very important to us that style and standards are the driving force. Society becomes more mobile and security becomes more and more important.
Hi, this is Pooja from TECHx Media and we are at Intersec 2026. We have with us today John Lakin, Director of Sales at STid. Thank you for joining with us, John, and it's great to have you here.
Thank you for the invitation. Appreciate it very much. Thank you.
Sure, it's a pleasure connecting with you. So to start with, can you give us an overview of STid and the key main highlights at Intersec 2026?
So STid is a French organization that we're celebrating our 30th birthday in May. We started in a small garage in the south of France and have developed into a global organization over the 30 years, competing at the highest level, driving industry standards. As a French company, it's very important to us that style and standards are the driving force. So you'll see from our products they're attractive, sleek, interesting looking, and are modern.
Sure, thank you for sharing that perspective and giving us an overview of STid as a company. Now in this fast moving pace of world and technology moving so fast, what are the emerging technology trends that your company is focused on?
So as a company, we've been the driving force in moving technology towards mobile devices. As the society becomes more mobile and security becomes more and more important, the security in a mobile cell phone is higher than it would be on a piece of plastic. So we utilize the built-in security of a mobile device plus custom encryption in a mobile card, enabling you to use your cell phone to gain access to buildings instead of a normal card or a biometric device.
Sure. So from your say, I understand that there are a lot of cybersecurity involved. So if you can talk us a bit about cybersecurity usage.
So because we're French, we help drive standards in the EU. One of those standards is driven by a law that's now prevalent in the EU called NIS2, which brings cybersecurity and physical security together as one problem. The idea being that the access control must never be the weak point that gains access to a network and therefore compromises security. So as a company, we've worked hard to produce products which are certified for cybersecurity and access control. And we're the first and only company in the market in our field to be EN 17640 certified, which enables us to use the product in both a cybersecurity world and an access control world.
That's a remarkable journey as well, and remarkable on the certification part. Now, coming to in this world, what differentiate you from rest of your competitors, or the key differentiator?
So, thank you for asking the question. It's historically access control is very proprietary.
Yeah.
So people manufacture products which you can only use their products going forward. STid's approach is one of openness. So we provide open technologies, we use open source technologies, and then use clever encryption to protect the product. But it means the client can always choose an alternative product to ours if they choose to, and it would still work seamlessly along the way. So there is no proprietary nature. It's all based on open technology.
Absolutely. Thanks for sharing that perspective. So what is your strategic vision for this region?
So the strategy for this region is to carry on with the work that the team have been doing for the last 3 years. We've become very, very close to a lot of the OEMs in the region, very large organizations such as Honeywell, Johnson Controls, Motorola, people like this where you're bringing a full solution to the market, which is secure from their point of view, and they need a partner that considers the access control reader as important as their platform when it comes to security. So the future for us is to keep moving with those partners to leverage that, plus at the same time encouraging smaller local partners to use these very clever ideas to improve their knowledge and their security at a different level. So whether you're very large or very small as a customer, you can gain the same security levels as the banks, the oil and gas refineries, all those kind of things.
Thank you for sharing that. It was great talking to you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to TECHx Media for more updates on technology industry and Intersec 2026.